Now we solve exercise number 4.2, question number 4. 8x6 minus 19x cube minus 27 equal to 0. First of all, we will simplify. And how to simplify? We will always check this. X cube, we will suppose this term x cube, and this is cube square. X cube 8 x cube square minus 19 x cube minus 27 is equal to 0. Now if we suppose this term as y and this term is y, this will become y square. So we will suppose, let x cube is equal to y. Now equation sorry, upper equation become 8y square minus 19y minus 27 equal to 0. Now this is simplest form of equation. Now what we will do? We will break the midterm. And how can break the midterm? By making factor. And how to make factor? First of all, we'll take the coefficient of y square. Coefficient of y square is 8, positive 8, and simple constant is minus 27, and we will multiply. 8 sevens are 56, 6, 5 carry, 8 to the 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Minus plus minus. Now we will make the factor of 216. These numbers are divisible by 216. First of all, check 2. 2 is divisible. Either 2 is divisible by 216 or not, with remainder 0. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. And here we take 2 terms at a time. So we'll put 0 in mid. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. 3 is not divisible by 216. 216 is not divisible by 3. 4 5s are 20. 1 4 6 are 16. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 4s are 16. 5 6 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 19 20 21. Yes, 6 is also divisible by 216. 6 3s are 18. 216. 6 3s are 18. 11 minus 3 3. 11 minus 8 3. 6 6 are 36. 7 no 8. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 17 18 19 20 21. 8 2s are 16. 216. 8 2s are 16. 11 minus 6 56. 8 7s are 56. 7 9 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 19 20 21. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 19 20 21. 9 4s are 36. Now we'll check if we add and subtract, 19 will come or not. Then we'll make more factor. 108 minus 2, 54 minus 4, 50, 36 minus 6, 30, 27 minus 8, 17, minus 8, 9, and this 27 and 8. 27. It means if we here get a minus 19, it means we will take greater value sign with negative sign with greater value. Minus 27 plus 8, minus plus minus 27 minus 8, 19, sign greater value. So it means factors are 27 and 8. 8y square minus 27 equal to 0 as it is, and minus 27y plus 8y. Now here we break the midterm. Next step is we'll take common. Here there is no common, only y is common. Y, 8y is left, y is common and 1y is left. Y is common and minus 27 is left. What is common? Plus 1. Minus 27, minus 27. If there is positive sign and we need negative sign, then we'll take minus 1 common. Now here minus 27 and minus 27 is here, so positive we will take plus 1 as common. 8y minus 27 plus y is common, so there is no effect on these two terms. 8y minus 27 and 8y minus 27 both are same. It means the factor we make are correct. Both of these two terms we will write at one time, and y plus 1 time equal to 0. Now first of all we'll take y plus 1 equal to 0, and next time 8y minus 27 equal to 0. Y plus 1 है, when we take in the right side, positive 1 become negative 1. Similarly 8y is equal to minus 27. When take in the right side, minus 27 become positive 27, and positive 27, and we want the value of y, so 8 is multiplied, we will divide at both sides. Now y is equal to 27 by 8. Here we can see that we consider x cube is equal to y. Now here we put y is equal to x cube. X cube is equal to minus 1. Similarly x cube is equal to 27 by 8. Now x cube minus 1, x cube minus 1, x cube plus 1 equal to 0. Now here we take the cube formula, a cube plus b cube, and a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus a into b, x into 1 become x, plus b square, b is 1 square. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So now here equal to 0. First of all we'll take x plus 1 equal to 0. Next time x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. X plus 1 equal to 0. When we take x plus 1, when take right side, positive 1 will become negative 1. And here we cannot break the midterm, so we will use quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b b is 1 minus b plus 1 plus minus under root b square. b is 1 square minus 4. a is 1. 4a coefficient of x is 1. a into c is 1 divided by 2 into 1. Minus 1 plus minus under root 1 minus 4 divided by 2. So x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3 by 2. Now we solve the equation for this term. X cube 1 cross multiply 8x cube is equal to 27. 8x cube positive 27 will become minus 27 when we take in the left side equal to 0. Now a cube minus a plus b into a square minus ab minus b minus c plus minus root b square 1. So here we can see that formula is a square a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A square minus ab plus b square. So minus b minus plus and b square, b is minus 1 square doesn't affect on 1. So only this effect, and I will change minus sign into positive sign. Now a cube minus b cube, b is 3 cube is equal to 0. Now a minus b a minus b into a square plus a into b plus b square equal to 0. Now 2x minus 3 2x square is become 4x square plus 2 3s are 6x plus 9 equal to 0. Now first of all we'll take 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Next time 4x square plus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. 2x minus 3 when take it the right side, minus 3 will become plus 3, and x is, we want to find the value of x. So x is multiplied, we will divide at both sides. X is equal to 3 by 2. Now we will take 4x square plus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. 4x square plus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. Now again we will apply quadratic formula. A is equal to 4, b is equal to 6, c is equal to 9. X is equal to minus b is 6 minus b plus minus under square minus 4ac divided by 2a minus 6. b is 6 so minus 6 plus minus under root b square 6 square minus 4, a is 4, c is 9. 2 into a is 4 is equal to minus 6 plus minus under root 36 minus 4 9s are 36. 36 into 4 144. 4 2s are 8 minus 6 plus minus under root 144 minus 36, 5 minus 3, sorry, 13 minus 3, 10, minus 108 by 8, minus 6 plus minus 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 2, 2s are 2, 6 are 12, 3 3s are 3, 3 9s are 3, 3s are 3, 1s are 1 pair, 2 pair, 2 3s are 6, 6 into under 3, 6 under root minus 3 divided by 8. So 2 is common. What is left? Minus 3 plus minus 3 under root minus 3. 8 and 4. 2 is, we take the 2 is common from this term, and 2 is from this term. Cancel each other 2. 2 3s are 2, 3s are 2, 4s are. So our solution set will become minus 1 and positive 1 plus minus minus 3 and the minus 3 as it is, my minus under root minus 1 value is iota. Under root 3 and under root, sorry, plus 1 plus minus under root 3 under root iota is, under root minus 1 is equal to iota. So we'll take under root minus 1 is equal to iota. So iota divided by 2. Next, x is equal to 3 by 2. We will write 3 by 2. And next,